almost. No. Okay, go. Yes. Oh, big one. Oh, shit. Yes. What fish there? Small one, okay. Come. No, move backward. I do. You move backward. Yes, move backward. Okay. Small one, huh? That's it. See? Gotta move good. Oh, nearly say sorry. Okay, move backward. Oh! See, no, everybody come. You ask me to go first. Okay, stay. Good, yes, good. Okay, move backward. No, I let me go. Yeah, can I go? Oh, no, it's stuck. Very strong. Oh, yes, I'm sorry. Go. Release. Come, wait. Go. Oh, sorry. Okay, go. Sorry. Come on, push your leg. Okay, yeah. Okay, you say. Oh, big one. Stay. Good. Stay. Sorry. Oh. Oh, yeah, big one. Maybe I go here because here 3 6. I can bring up. Yeah, here can. For me, easy. Good job with it. Good. Really go. Woo. Sorry. Bring up. No, go. Sorry. Oh, go. Sorry. Okay, stay. You're good. Stay. Yeah. See? When you use the light fish, you use the lure, right? Okay, you're good. Wait, enjoy it. Before you go, I asked him what you use today. I use light fish. Oh, look, everybody start to change again. Oh yeah, hey shit. Let me do a hook. Come to the right here. Yeah. Okay, move out. I do. Because go. Go here. Throw. Okay. Oh, good. You see, you fish the papaya on the other side is different. You can't pick from yourself. Big fish, eh? Yeah, the big catfish. Go. Yeah, let go. Oh God, music to fisherman here. Yeah, happy man. Look at your face. Go show your wife this video.
He wants to go home. He wants to go home.
Oh, yeah. Go back to your mama, huh? Okay, fish, big fish. Later you have to go back for your meeting, huh? Hey, you smile. Okay, I'm happy now. Okay, let's talk. Why are you so happy? I wake up in the morning. Why you go? Why you guys keeping I go? Really? เอาให้ได้อะขึ้นมาได้yeah no oh good fish There's a canal, you know? Canal. Move out, yeah. Move out. Yeah, everything is good. Okay. I think he will pull the fish off. You hold the tail and pull off. Okay. So the fish must come to the edge. More. Oh. หมดแรงแล้วดูสิหมดแรงแล้วเขาไม่ถอยทางนี้เขาถอยเลยเขาถอยก็โอเคone more okay move out yes you move out yes good oh look at the mouth the lid on the mouth move out Okay. Wait. Okay, stop. Đây. Một đi đi bó. Oh. Một. Bit more. Not too high, though. Not too high. Yeah, the blue come out. Because it's not. Yeah, see, see, not too high. You just move back. You 45, then move backward. Yeah. Use the water boy and see, move backward. Yeah, move backward. Yeah, drifting back. Yes. Oh, yeah. Ini yeah. Janganเลย. Okay, release. Oh. Hey, baik dah ya. Oh. Oh, good Oh, look at that. Oh, look at the hook. Oh my God, look here. John, no. Okay. Oh, well done. Hey, come. Yes. Okay, no more. Hold the tail. Keep strong. Hold the tail. Okay. Woo. Well done. Move. Up. Sorry. Okay, sorry. Be careful. Sorry. Okay. Sorry. Good. Go. Sorry. Good. Sorry. Okay, good. Okay, stay. You're good. Stay. The take of people. Oh, in the mouth. Yeah. Okay, you stay. Yeah. Oh. Okay, you stay. No, you stay. Okay. Stay. chaos. Chaotic. Yeah. Go. Yeah, good. Careful, huh? Oh. Good. Wait. Ah. Wait, don't move. Okay, go. Ready. Nice. Go. Maintain. I think it's him. Because it's not possible. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay. Say you're safe. Sorry, enjoy. You're the first one to get a piece. Outside, little bit. Oh, you just outside. Okay. Oh, you can put the big. This time, I think big. Oh. Okay. Huh? You caught that? No. Oh, say, don't go to the beach, huh? Oh, don't go there. Oh, okay, go. He's big. Say. If you go to the beach, cut the line. You see, the structural, is it? Sorry. And he's tired already. He's tired. Say, move. Big. Is it the one that got away this morning? Again? I come back for revenge? Look at him. Oh. This is big. Massive. Okay, move to the left. Sorry. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Sorry. Okay, thank you. Okay. Say, you're safe. Sorry, enjoy. You're the first one to get a piece. Outside, little bit. Oh, you just outside. Okay. Oh, you can do the big. This time, I think big. Oh. Stay. Huh? You caught that? No. Oh, say, don't go to the beach, huh? Oh, don't go there. Oh, he's big. Say. If you go to the beach, cut the line. You see, the structural, is it? Sorry. And he's tired already. He's tired. Say, move. Is it the one that got away this morning? Find him again. Come back for revenge. Look at him. This is big. Massive. No. Okay, go.